Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is my Ipsy February 2019 glam bag. You receive 4 to 5 products, and they're usually sample and deluxe size products. And this bag is $10 a month, and you can personalize it with a beauty quiz. And they just recently updated, wanted you to update your beauty profile with them. And Ipsy does have a shopper tab that if you buy products, they're discounted prices, and members receive an additional 10% off. So that's an incentive to become an Ipsy glam bag member. And Ipsy does have a referral system. So if you would like to join Ipsy, down in the description box, I do have a referral link, and it is a referral link. I do not receive any money, but I do get points for if you join using my referral link, that I can get products to show on the channel here. So let's get right into this month's Ipsy. And it always comes in this nice pink bag. Oh, that's a nice little bag. So you get a card, and it says Swoon So Hard. So that's nice. Oh, and this explains a little bit about the Ipsy add-ons. You can now do Ipsy add-ons. And then on the back, it tells you that the products that you received in this month's bag. So that is nice. So it's a nice, nice bag, leather-like, with all your lips on the front and the back. They always have nice zippers on their bags, and then this has the little Ipsy pull tab. Pretty inside. And we're just going to go for the first product that I see. And this is from Ipsy Cosmetics, and this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick. And the color that I received, I think, is Title. That is the, oh yeah, here it is. That is the color. Let's get this open so I can show you. Oh, that's a pretty color right there. So let's swatch this. And this has a nice slanted doe foot applicator. Oh, that's a pretty color. That's great for the fall. I mean, really, I think you can wear these colors all year round. Some people say, you can only wear that in the fall. You can only wear that in the spring. So wear whatever color lipstick you like, or lip gloss. So that's a very, very pretty color. I'm not all about, you can only wear this. You can only do this. Do whatever makes you happy is my motto. And then this is from Koki Professional. And this is their Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. And I do believe this is in medium beige. Medium beige. Okay. This might be a little bit off for me, but we'll see. It's a little bit on. I mean, the coloring's not that far off. I generally don't do a beige, but let's just see for a concealer. Blend it. That might not be too bad, because I've actually brightened that area up a little bit. You can see that in the camera. So that's not a bad product. And Ipsy does not give you prices on their little sheet here. Oh, I am excited about this. I love Pixi by Petra products. And this is the Pixi by Petra Glow Tonic. And you use this after you have cleaned your skin. And you can use this AM and PM. I don't know if it has a... Should have a little... Yes, it has a little seal. I was so excited to see this in some of the bags, and I was hoping I got it. It's very small. It's only, I think, a 0.5 fluid ounces, but I think enough to try it to see if you would buy it. I have a few other Pixi products, and I love Pixi as a brand. And the next item in here is from Ico, and this is their Lash Alert Mascara. And like I said in previous videos, I'm not a huge fan of these like these kinds of soft tubes, but mascara is mascara. Well, that's got a nice wand with a little bit of a slant on it, as you can see. So that'll be good for, you know, uplifting. And so that, I hope it was supposed to be like that. I hope it didn't bend. So that's nice. And that, you know, obviously is in black. And let's see what else. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you get 5. We got 5 products this month. Okay, so I got a Luxie brush. Let's see, take this out. I have quite a few Luxie brushes, and I do like them very much. And this is their Luxie 243 Precision Blending. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. There we go. And that's a nice brush. Luxie brushes are very nice. I don't have any complaints about them. So like I said, this is the Precision Blending Eye Brush, and this is their number 243. And this is good to get a quick smoky eye, apply eyeshadow all over your lid, and then this could be used to blend darker shades, just to blend. So this is, you know, brushes. I'm unhappy with brushes. There are some that are a little too rough. But lately, I've been receiving tons and tons of good brushes, so I'm not going to complain. So this month for Ipsy, which is February 2019, we got a really cute, more Valentine-y type bag with the lips. So we got from Koki Professional, we got the Be Bright Concealer. From Laritzi Cosmetics, we got the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. From Pixie, we got the Glow Tonic. Exciting. From, I think this was Ico, right? Ico, we got mascara in black. And then Luxie, we got the Luxie brush. So they're the 5 products that I received in my February 2019 Ipsy. So remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thanks so much for watching. And I do have a few giveaways going on my channel, so make sure to go seek them out. And don't forget to enter, and have a great day. Bye.